Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm Steve, and today I want to talk about a couple of things about Tesla that are in the news, and why I'm thinking about buying it, right? And why you might consider wanting to buy it as well. It all started yesterday. You know, Tesla had the 3-to-1 stock split, right? So yesterday I happened to be looking at another YouTuber's video by the name of Richard Fain, and he was talking about how he was going to buy Tesla. Now, I've been following Richard for a while, and you know, as a fellow YouTuber, I've been following for a while, and I could really see the enthusiasm, you know, in his face. So the first thing I noticed, I'm like, man, he's really hype about this. And you know, if anybody watches Richard, you know, he's all about getting value, and he speaks a lot in the ETF space, and you know, he talks about, you know, what he's going to do as far as, you know, what he's going to do in the market. And, you know, he tells you, know, this is what I'm going to do. I'm not telling you to do it, you know, but he's telling you what is right for him. Well, the same thing goes today for me, you know. But the reason why I brought him up was the enthusiasm that he had. It really sparked my curiosity, because I was like, you know, man, he's really excited. I ain't never seen him excited like that. So it just sparked my curiosity, and I went and took a look at Tesla today. And I was doing some research last night, and I wasn't going to make a video about it. I just figured it was something to share, you know, on my thoughts. Well, I think on Monday I'm going to buy Tesla, like a significant stake in it. You know, two factors that prompted me to do this. The first, and neither of them have anything to do with the stock split, right? Okay, the first factor is this. As you well know, if you've been keeping up with the news, California yesterday is trying to ban gas-powered cars after 2035, right? Which is a little ways away, but you know, they're trying to clean up the smog and the pollution out there and make the planet better, right? Nothing wrong with that. Today, though, I've seen a report that Massachusetts is going to do that as well in 2025. So I don't know if a bunch of states are going to get on board, you know, and start eliminating gas-powered cars by 2035 or whatever. But I mean, it's the beginning. You know, it just goes to show you that the EV revolution is here to stay. And you know, I have a lot of videos that you can go and check out in my library on EV vehicles. Excuse me. And it's just something to consider. Now, that's the first factor, right? Now, second factor is this. I went and I looked at a website. I should have recorded what the website was, but it was a calculator, and it was showing, you know, if you invested this much in different, you pick a stock ticker symbol, and then you put the money in and see how much it would be 5, 10, 15, 20 years, hell, 30 years down the line. So out of curiosity, I did Tesla, and it counts as like, okay, to the day, if you put in, hey, I put $1,000 in Tesla 5 years ago to this day, how much money you would have, because it records all of the market's history up until the time of you entering it in now. Man, look, if you put $1,000 in Tesla 5 years ago today, right, you would have $11,849. Come on, that's a lot of money. Then on top of that, look, if you put 10 grand, right, 5 years ago today, you would have $128,492. Oh my God. Listen, the last stock split they had, I remember, it was in 2020. I think it was 5-to-1. This one is 3-to-1. And is one thing with Tesla, you know that the stock is going to explode. You know, and a lot of it has to do with, you know, the potential and the phenomena of who Elan Musk is. A lot of people believe in him. They like him. He's a very likable character. They like him as a person. He's one of the smartest people, you know, in previous record. You know, he got that nonchalant, they don't give a damn attitude. A lot of people like that. I like it. Now, I've never really dealt with Tesla like that. You know, I made small trades with it, but I've never considered keeping it long term or for any type of gain. But at the price it is now, right? Like today after market, it fell 2.7%. You know, that's just because, you know, what the chairman has said about, you know, tax hikes and all that stuff, and, you know, the fear of the market, people start selling. It's an excellent opportunity to jump in and grab some of this at $288. I can't remember the last time Tesla was $288. So, you know, I sold my shares of Lucid and I put a lot of it in another stock. I still got some left, and I still got some cash reserves too. I think I'm gonna make a big jump Monday. You know, pre-market. I hopefully it'll still be going down. So what I'm going to most likely do is I'm gonna make a purchase in the morning, watch it. If it drops significantly, if it goes down another, it goes another 5%, I'll buy some more, and then I'll do in increments of 5%. If it falls in the red 5%, I'll jump in there. That way I'll keep my average down, and I'm gonna keep it for 5 years and see what it does. Now, if it takes off, yeah, but like, see, the thing is, Tesla has a lot of things going for them, and you never know what Elon Musk is going to do. Now, with the thing with, you know, these states trying to get rid of gas-powered vehicles by 2035, or new gas-powered vehicles, whatever it's saying, that's a big boost for EV. It's a big boost. The reason why I'm thinking going heavy into Tesla right now is only because Tesla is so far ahead of everybody else. You know, and upon me thinking about it, I think Rivian, even though they have all these contracts, Lucid, NIO, now, but I'll exclude NIO because NIO got a whole nation of millions of people backing it, and it's in another country where it can grow without even our help. But Tesla is so far ahead. GM, Ford, maybe even Volkswagen, they have the capital. They don't have to deal with all of the stuff that these smaller companies are dealing with. I'm going to be watching them, because if they can start catching Tesla, then I might stop buying it. But right now, this is a runaway train. Ain't nothing stopping it. The phenomenon Elon Musk, we got Elan Musk, people believing in him. You know, the man, the myth, the legend. Then we got Tesla by itself. You know, they're selling cars year over year. They got good reports. It's a prestigious brand nowadays. And I mean, the stock ain't going to do nothing but go up. I can almost, I ain't going to say guarantee that, but it's Tesla. I mean, from my history, 7 years of watching this stock, it's been so high. I'm like, man, I wouldn't even pay for a share of that. Now it's low like this. And the last time they had the stock split, I could have jumped in, but I backed off. Like, you know, $902 billion market cap. P/E ratio is high, but it's more of a growth stock. This is more of a growth stock play to me. You know, as long as I don't have to take any of my, it's not going to affect the dividends, me getting dividends and my snowball effect moving forward, you know, for the next years of me retiring. It's a good play. You know, if anything, I can make a whole bunch of money off of this, sell some of the shares off, and continue to build on my current positions that I hold, especially my ETFs, you know, and my long-time stocks like Johnson & Johnson and such. But yeah, man, I mean, I'm definitely going to jump on this. I mean, after listening to Richard Fain, you know, and being an experienced investor myself, a lot of things started clicking. And it's crazy how you can see one video and it can change your whole opinion of something. You can see a vision that you've never seen before because you have blinders. So, yeah, guys, I'm going to jump in on this. But I need you to do me a favor. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this stock split, and if this price is a good price for you to jump in at. Now, I know the P ratio is 109 times earning, but I mean, it's Tesla. And I think it's worth the risk. I just think it's worth the risk. I'm not saying you think it's worth the risk. But yeah, man, I just want to chime in real quick. Like I said, I upload videos daily. I was going to take this weekend off, but I'm going to stick with the theme. You know, some ideas hit me, and then I get these videos, and I want to get them out because I enjoy it. But yeah, man, show your appreciation, subscribe, leave a comment, man. Y'all gonna get some Tesla? Do you have some? You looking to add more to your position? I'd like to hear from you. Let's keep this train rolling. Keep the channel growing. You guys have an awesome weekend. I'll see you in the next video.